To claim Creative Industries tax relief, you must include it in your online company tax return CT600 and complete an additional information form before you submit your CT600 or on the same day. HMRC can't accept your claim without both. All companies need to make or amend a claim for relief within 2 years of the end of their period of account. If your period of account is longer than 18 months, you must also make sure you do it within 42 months from the start of the period. You can't amend an additional information form after you submit it. If you need to change it, you'll have to fill in a new one. For each production, you'll need to include on the additional information form its name, the tax calculations including deductions and credits, total qualifying costs, and a breakdown of your core and non-core costs in the UK and abroad, and the qualifying expenditure. You'll also need the British Film Institute certificate if you're claiming certified reliefs, and an expenditure redemption calculation if you're claiming expenditure credits for films, TV programs, or video games. You can find further help in our video, How to Calculate the Amount of Expenditure Credit. To help HMRC pay you quickly, make sure you include your bank details on your CT600. For any technical help about expenditure credits and tax relief, you can email creative.industries@hmrc.gov.uk. You can find more information about creative industry tax reliefs and expenditure credits on gov.uk and in our other videos on YouTube.